In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup on Hostinger efficiently and confidently. Whether you're looking to retrieve specific files or regain access to a full database, understanding how to navigate your Hostinger backup can be a lifesaver. First, let's begin by logging into your hPanel. Once you're logged in, head over to Websites and then navigate directly to the dashboard of the particular site you wish to restore. Now, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see the Backups option. This is the gateway to retrieving your website's past data. If you're aiming for a partial restore, perhaps focusing on a specific folder or subdomain, you'll want to click on Files Backups. From there, you'll be presented with an array of dates. Choose the date that matches the state you want to roll back to, then click Show Files. Here, you'll find a detailed view of your files. Navigate through to the domain or subdomain folder, which is conveniently located inside the public HTML directory. Once you've located the folder you wish to restore, select it and then hit Restore Selected. This action will begin the process of restoring your chosen files to their previous state. And if you're restoring a database, it's a similar process. Return to the Backups section, but this time opt for the Database Backups. Just like before, you'll select the date and ensure it corresponds with the file restoration you've just completed. After identifying the correct database, you can initiate the restoration. Throughout this process, it's crucial to maintain patience. Depending on the site size and host traffic, the time it takes to restore can vary. It's always a good practice to double-check your restored files and databases to ensure everything is in order. This restoration process not only recovers lost data, but also shields you from future uncertainties, providing peace of mind, knowing you can retrieve your data when needed. Remember, consistent backups and knowing how to restore them effectively are key components of solid website management. Keeping this workflow in mind makes your restoration journey on Hostinger not just a task, but a straightforward procedure that empowers your digital presence.